always forget my birthday, but you didn't forget your parents' birthday.
Yeah. Well, both were born on Christmas, and I was raised as a staunch Christian. How can I forget?
Yeah, okay. And you never forget to go to play golf.
Come on, my friend calls me up every day. What am I supposed to do?
Okay.
Yeah.
You never forget to watch your favorite TV show.
It comes at the same time every day.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And you never forget the name of your favorite dishes at the restaurant.
I have been eating the same dish ever since I was a kid.
But your father to empty the dishes and feed the cat.
Come on, I see the cat sitting on the trash and licking the dishes, so I don't want to disturb the cat.
Look at your excuse. Fine, I want the dishes to be taken care of